We got a grime patio. Let's get it sorted, shall we? Alright, that's this patio all cranked out and done. I've done loads of other bits like down the side here, or this section here. I'll give you a quick walkthrough, show you what we've done. So this bit I think I filmed for you. This is the main patio. It's still got some suds left over from the chemical because obviously it's England, it's a horrible rainy day, so they'll take a while to dissipate and dry. Yeah, it looks 100 times better. I've also done all round here. Yeah, all down here. I've got a load of stones from where my hose has pulled them out. All down here, across this back section there, down here, and all around the front as well, and down the side. I didn't bother filming those because there's too many higgledy-piggledy bits, but yeah, looks cracking. So if you made it this far, thanks for sticking around. If you want to see any more, hit the like button, subscribe, all that jazz. Have any questions, stick them down below and I'll make sure to get back to them. Thanks.